How you doing? I'm Josh Wood in Essential. Today I'm gonna make an outside sofa sectional. The sofa sectional, I seen a couple builds on it on YouTube. I combined a couple of them together for something to suit my needs. To build this, I went with a whole bunch of 2x6s, something I know it's going to be sturdy and last a while. It's not going to be pressure treated, but I am going to put a finish on it that will make it for outside. I think what I'm going to do for this is cut a little bit, build that, cut a little bit more, build, so on and so forth. If I got everything down right, which I hope I do, everything here will be cut on the miter saw and not the table saw. So that way, if you wanted to build it at home, you could see that it can be done with just a miter saw. First thing I'm going to do is take a couple boards over to the miter saw, get them cut. Once I get them cut, then I'll go ahead and put some pocket holes in it. Also, side note here, building this, I will use Titebond 3 wood glue because it is waterproof. I might have forgot to mention, I'm using external screws. They're pocket hole screws. They have a blue coating on them to prevent from rusting. Okay, so I got all these pieces on and I flipped it, and now the one on the bottom is what I gotta glue and screw into. So the top here is already glued and screwed. Another day, I got one part done. So now I'm going to go over to the miter saw and cut the boards down for the other section. I got all that cut over at the miter saw. I went ahead and pocket holed off camera, so I wouldn't bore you guys with it. Now all I gotta do is just assemble this one together. Went ahead and cut everything for the legs. Also, I made the pocket holes, so now all I got left to do is assemble it together, and I'll have the legs and armrest. Now I got all that done. All I'm going to do now is chamfer the bottom of the legs so that way they don't split or crack. I might round over the armrests. I'm not sure yet. I will add boards to the top of the frame. Off camera, I cut 1x6s to fit the frame. These boards are just screwed in with external screws, no glue or anything, just in case I have to change them out later. I got a scrap piece of material. I'm not sure how thick it was that I was using, but I just got it as a spacer. I purposely left out one of the boards. You'll see why later. Now I got to hook the seat onto the legs and armrest. After that, I gotta put another leg on. If those legs are on, I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna put them in the back because I don't know if I'll get help lifting this thing, and me moving some of these parts by myself was pretty heavy, so I'm gonna have to assemble it like it's IKEA furniture. Now I got the arms, the legs, everything assembled into two different sections. I got it all in the backyard, and now I'm just going to screw it in together. Camera died, so I went ahead and cut angles on this for the backing, added pocket hole screws. So what I'm going to do is screw it up and add wood glue and sit it around for the back. I originally had another idea on how I wanted to build this. It didn't pan out as well as I liked, but I went ahead and I got the plans from the YouTube channel 731 Woodworks, and all this is to his design. I changed just a couple little things, but if you guys want to build this, he's got a set of plans for sale. Ed and Josh here. When I recorded outside, I didn't think about the wind, and I didn't add the wind protection on it, so I do apologize for that. Next time in the future, I will hopefully remember that. At first, when I started putting on the finish, I didn't think it turned out as good as I was hoping, but when it dried, it turned out really nice. I don't know why I didn't record it. I thought I did. Maybe in the future, I'll remember to keep recording this stuff, and Editing Josh will no longer have a skit here on this channel. Now I got everything done that I need to do. All that's left is to stain it. I'm going to use this Thompson water sealer. I've always heard good things about it. Hopefully it holds up. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also, check out some other videos we have on the channel.